Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to check my Wi-Fi password on PC, and it will be a complete beginner tutorial. So first of all, you just need to be open windows.r and you will get a tab in here, and that panel you just need to be search ncpa.cpl. Once you search it, just click to the OK, hit the OK button, and you will eventually get that options that call network collections. And now you just need to be check this out, that which internet you are using. So here you can see we are using network 3, and here you can see this is the network 3. You just need to be select this one, and then you just need to be go over here to the status. Once you come over that place, you will get eventually options where you will able to see that wireless properties. Once you click over here, then eventually you will get another option by the call security, and from that place you can easily see that options. This is the easiest way to see Wi-Fi password in PC. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.